Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve outline of the app of Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve outline on Facebook app, you should just go to settings as you see. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of Facebook and you can click here in this page. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. If it's not working with you, you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.